Recognizing the importance of good seeds in crop production, the government of the Philippines, through the initiatives of Dr. Emil Q. Javier, established the Institute of Plant Breeding, or IPB, on June 5, 1975. IPB is mandated to develop new and improved varieties of important agricultural crops. Since 1975, IPB has continuously supported the country's agricultural production campaign. It has developed more than 200 varieties approved by the National Seed Industry Council, or NSIC, and registered with the IPB Germplasm and Technology Registration and Release Office, or GTRRO. This year, IPB is pleased to announce its newly registered varieties, genetic stocks, and technologies. The cereal crop section has produced 4 genetic stocks of corn: the Seaguard N253, Seaguard N413, Seaguard N1044, and Seaguard N114. These are pigmented corn accessions with high nutritional and functional properties like antioxidant, protein, amylopectin, and zinc. These corn genetic stocks are produced through the section's long-term program on germplasm utilization through advanced research and development. The National Plant Genetic Resources Laboratory, or NPGRL, is currently holding promising germplasm collections of root crops. Busilak is a yam species rich in vitamin, minerals, and fiber. Tubers of Busilak are irregular in shape, with white and grainy flesh texture. Dayang 1 is a traditional farmer's variety of ubi of unknown origin. This variety has high yield potential because of its medium to large tuber size. Dayang 2 is a collection from the province of Negros Oriental. The tubers of this traditional ubi variety is cylindrical in shape, with yellow-orange and slightly grainy flesh texture. Aba Ifugao, Aba Benguet, Quezon Gabing 9, Sinibuyas 1, Sinibuyas 2, and Gabing Isabela are promising varieties of taro. These 6 varieties collected, characterized, and conserved by NPGRL are found to be high-yielding due to many number of gourmels and stolons. This year, the legume crop section in NPGRL have registered a number of promising varieties and collections. Napigget is the first black ram variety from IPB. Developed through a series of purification of collected accession from Santo Domingo, Ilocos Sur, Napigget gives good yields under open and shady conditions. Like the other IPB soybean varieties, both Tiwala 24 and Tiwala 26 are high-yielding and have yield advantage over Tiwala 6, the local Czech variety. Tiwala 24 is consistently high-yielding in multi-environment trials in 4 locations, while Tiwala 26 is top-yielding in Region 10. The Dianguis and Aurora are high-yielding lima beans. The Dianguis germplasm originated from General Santos City, while Aurora came from Quezon Province. Both of these lima beans have high nutraceutical properties. The Dianguis is rich in protein, crude fiber, and nitrogen-free extract, while Aurora has high antioxidants, flavonoids, and anthocyanin content. Legume crop section has registered promising collections of adlai from farmers' fields. These are ginampay, kiboa, gulyan, and pulot. Ginampay is recommended for low elevation areas in Mindanao. Kiboa is high-yielding in mid to high elevations in Bukidnon. Gulyan is recommended for Region 2. Regions 4A and 4B will benefit more from pulot. This variety is suitable for making confectionaries and desserts. Vegetable crop section has registered a number of varieties. Maureen is a high-yielding pulsita variety which can adapt to low-input organic conditions. Gloria is derived from a continuous purification of collected accession from Muñoz, Nueva Ecija. This wing bean variety has long, light green pods, stringless, and has non-puckery flavor. 3 new high-yielding open-pollinated varieties of tomato are developed by the vegetable crop section. Elpidia is a table-type variety of tomato best for cooking and making salads. Lelin is also a table-type variety of tomato with resistance to bacterial wilt. And Julita is a vigorous, prolific variety which can be produced during off-season. Vegetable crop section has also produced the first cherry tomatoes. Betty, cherries, and Agnes are all open-pollinated, high-yielding tomato varieties. The fruit crop section is able to develop the following. Hirang, Liag, and Timias are three papaya hybrids. All three hybrids are not only high-yielding, but they are also endearing to the Filipino palate. Hirang has red-fleshed fruits, while both Liag and Timias have yellow-orange fleshed fruits. Commercial seed production of all these three varieties are licensed by UP Los Baños to East West Seed Company Incorporated. DF Megalanthus R001 is a genetic stock which can be a source of anthracnose resistance for dragon fruit breeding. NPGRL also has promising collections of indigenous fruits. Paligang, lipote, and hagis are fruits rich in vitamin C. Ripe fruits are eaten raw, but they can also be made into jams or jellies, or even processed into wines. Ripe IPB tampoy fruit is crunchy, and its taste resembles that of makopa fruit. IPB katmon is a good source of vitamin C when eaten raw. It is also a good soaring ingredient. Landscape artists and ornamental enthusiasts love this fruit tree due to its attractive flower. IPB batuan and IPB kiddie fruits are also good souring ingredients, but a dash of salt and sugar to their fruit's flesh can neutralize their sour taste. All these indigenous fruits are excellent sources of vitamins, fibers, and antioxidants. The eye-catching, vibrant hibiscus hybrids are by the ornamental crop section. Hibiscus rosa sinensis Emeline Aglipay-Villar variety is named after a lawyer who uses her expertise in her advocacy work as sectoral representative of the Democratic Independent Workers Association party list. Hibiscus rosa sinensis Carmen Martinez Pascual is named after a woman of passion and strong leadership in public service, education management, and the arts. The Institute will soon name a gumamela after academician Filomeno Fortich Campos, a botanist who is known for her work on cotton research. Other colorful gumamela hybrids will be named after special women who embody gentleness, strength, and dedication to their chosen craft. Improved dark polka dot, improved three-colored pink, improved haloed pink, rayed violet, and ruffled pink are the new 5 Catharanthus roseus developed by the ornamental crop section. These attractive open-pollinated vincas flower all year round. 3 IPB Hoyas, HY 2010-007, HY 2010-013, and HY 2010-022 are now available to give recognition to outstanding Filipino men and women in the 7 forms of arts. These 3 Hoyas are open-pollinated and are unique in terms of flower color and structure. Musaenda Dolores A. Ramirez has remarkably different inflorescence compared to existing pink musaendas. Its petaloid bracts do not droop, even at peak of blooming stage, has compact growth, prolific, and a continuous bloomer. This musaenda variety is named after national scientist and university professor emeritus Dolores A. Ramirez. For health and wellness, NPGRL has one very promising Latin collection. IPB Dangla from Ilocos has high yield potential based on the plant stature and branching habit. IPB researchers develop technologies to help in variety development. The SSR marker-based genotyping protocol for genetic purity determination of Philippine inbred maize lines is essential in the determination of genetic purity of maize inbred lines. It is now possible to determine potentially identical individuals using the core marker set. The SSR markers for hybridity testing of eggplant F1 derived from the crosses among Mestiza PHL 4841 and Mata PHL 2789. This technology is used to detect hybrids and genotypes in eggplants. The SSR-based marker system for mango genotyping and hybridity testing. This technology identifies true mango hybrids at a very young age. Banding patterns also provide insight on the genetic diversity of mango. Sequencing primers for species delineation of Bactrocera dorsalis and Bactrocera occipitalis based on cytochrome C oxidase genes. Through this technology, differences in DNA sequences can be detected, which can be used to distinguish Bactrocera dorsalis from Bactrocera occipitalis, relevant for quarantine services. These are the products of years of hard work and untiring dedication of IPB staff and partners. Food crops feed our body, while ornamental crops nourish our soul. Expect more from IPB as we continue our mission of providing quality seeds and planting materials to Filipino farmers. These varieties, genetic stocks, and technologies are truly products of the chosen breed.